Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at a TacPack. That's right, tactical pack, TacPack, rack, crack, a sack, something, don't do crack. You know the drill. Alright, so before we get into this box, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. Really great, appreciate you on that one. Alright guys, small TacPack. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with TacPack, and as per usual, if you want to check them out, just go to TacPack. www.tacpack.com. You can check them out. I don't, I kind of quit putting links to a lot of these companies. I don't really want to say why, but I think you can figure out why. So yeah. So I don't really do links anymore in my description box, but it's not hard to find them. TacPack. Just don't type in like TacPack, a crack, sack, rack, pack, attack, wild, dot, spoken crack. Don't do that. Just type in TacPack. All right, here is your top-down view of this here box from TacPack. There it is. Shake, 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 shake. Now, if you're watching this video as a video, you should have been here. You should have subscribed to my channel because I did this video live. So I got people watching on this camera. Okay, what do we got? Let's see. Do we got a card? Do we got a card? Come on, TacPack. Okay, we got the TacPack Plus Classified. Okay, I don't want to open this because it has all the stuff, but we do got that. And the sticker is down there somewhere. Man, I hope the sticker is not face up. Oh, it is. Okay, I didn't see it though. I didn't see it. I successfully got it out of the box without seeing it. All right, here's the first thing we got. We got a Zippo heat bank. This is a rechargeable battery, and you can click another button to put it on self-destruct and it'll get hot. But it's made by Zippo. And you guys know I really like Zippo, but I don't know about these things. I was very curious about, like how good they work. Okay, look, I hate to say this because I was skeptical about these things, but I have another one over there that's kind of, I think it might be a little bigger than this one, and I said, let me see, and what you do is, yes, it does have a button on it that you click it to like heat or whatever, and it will just discharge and it'll, whatever it does, whatever, tomfoolery magic it does to create heat. So you can take it as it's warm and you can just stick it in your pocket. So there you go. And the fact that it also doubles because you can draw the power out for your phone or whatever, it's kind of like a bonus. So to me, those things are not the worst product to have, especially now we're going into the cold times. So yeah, winter is coming, as they say. All right, the next thing we got is a Maxpedition Legacy. This is just going to be a small micro pocket organizer. And I do have a couple of these, and I'm going to tell you something. I made a mistake. Not a mistake. You know what? Scratch that. It's not a mistake. I'm going to stand on business. I said in a video that I like the Maxpedition packs. And man, dude, I got people telling me that these things aren't worth a crap. And I'm like, bro, I don't have a problem with them. I don't have a problem with them. The material, the stitching, I don't know. Maybe I'm lucky and I'm getting the A+ bags and y'all are getting the bags that flunked out of school, or whatever. I don't know, but I've not had a problem with them. And this is just a little bag. We got a hanger compartment here, compartment over here, some molly, 3 pieces here, and well, not molly, but just 3 elastic holders and 2 elastic holders on that side. And then on the back, we got some breathable mesh, a little pocket here. The only thing about this though I don't like is that this is seriously just a pouch that it just has this handle on it. Like there's nothing else on the back. Just the handle. I mean, what do you guys think about that, bro? I mean, I get it. It's a small little pouch, right? I mean, I get it. I get it. But do you think that was a bad omission, not putting like maybe a belt loop or anything? I mean, am I crazy? Don't answer that. Okay. But either way, I don't have a problem with the packs. Got a couple of them. I'm slowly working on one to do a giveaway. That's going to be a little compact EDC pouch. So yeah, I don't have a problem with them. Just saying. That's what I got, and I'm sticking to it, bro. All right, so we got something from Emissary. What is this? Handbrake X. Okay, this is, it better be M-Lock, bro. Man, it better be M-Lock. Get your butt out of there. I will not be defeated by a box. That does look like M-Lock. Alright, cool. I mean, there you go. There you go. I mean, I don't know what else. I don't know. Well, technically it's like this for me, but, you know, I'm just saying. I don't know what to tell you. Is it tactical? Is it tactical? No, it doesn't say. It doesn't say. Man, what a missed opportunity. They could have put tactical on the box. It would have sold out instantly. Because apparently you can take a crappy product, show it to people, and be like, hey, this is crappy. Then you just put tactical on it. Then everybody wants it. Ooh, because it's tactical. Alright, next thing we got here. We got a Steel City Arsenal single stage trigger. 4-pound spring weight. 2 millimeters of length of pull. Okay. I have used one of these particular systems before, and I mean, it's fine, you know, over most, you know, factory triggers. Yes, this is an upgrade. I'm not trying to start a comment fiasco. I like Geisley. All right, and we got one more thing, and that's it. We got a little varmint, yo. Oh, man, we got the little Groundhog plinker, bro. A little buddy. Self-healing, they say. Now, here's the funniest part, because I've got some of these. Do they say it on this one? Do they say it on this one? Yes, look at this. Self-healing, weatherproof, reactive hits, no ricochet. Look, boy, you guys see that? Do you see that right there? I know you don't see it, but they see it. You see, look at that. Now look at this. Look at that right there. I got to show them. So please bear with me. Yes, they say rated to 50 BMG. We're just gonna put this over here. Because the funny thing that I like about seeing stuff like that, it's rated up to 50 BMG. I personally have hit some of these with my 338 Lapua Magnum, which is below 50 BMG, and it can't handle it. At least the ones that I did, so I'm just saying. All right, here is our sticker, ladies and gentlemen. I have no idea what this is. I very cleverly got it out the box without seeing it. So here's what I'm going to do. Here's the profile for you guys. You guys already saw it, but for you guys, here's the profile. I have no idea what this is. I can't even imagine putting a guess out there what this is. So let's just see. Uh-oh. I still didn't see it. That was good. That's actually funny. That's actually funny. That's actually a funny one. All right, so here's the thing. Here's the thing. Obviously you can see that I do like the stickers. All right, because they're everywhere. And to be honest with you, all of the stickers that are really good, they came from TacPack. Like this. This is good. I'm running out of space because I've got so many stickers up here. So I will find a place for it though. I will find a place for the sticker because this is a good one. I like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, well, hey man, I tell you what, let's go through the book because we got the TacPack classified. All right, so here's what we got. Maxpedition pouch. For me, that's a thumbs up. I don't care about that. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. What do they say about it? Portable multi-tool manages pack carried easily secured. Okay. Yeah, okay. All right, well. They didn't give me all the fluff they usually give me, so that's fine. Okay, then we got the Infinity Defense Target, the Zippo Heat Bank, the Count Glockula, Stay Strapped this Halloween, Emissary handbrake, and the Steel City trigger. This is the plus item, the trigger, which carries a $200 value. All right, this was TacPack. TacPack Plus. Classified. Don't know what's classified about it. Sticker was on point because it's you know, it's Count Chocula, you know what I'm saying, and it's Halloween. It's very appropriate. So good job, TacPack. These make for fun videos that I really can't show because I'm a small channel and I can't show stuff like that because I get in trouble. I don't know why I just put them back on. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so that's it. If you made it this far, thank you. Greatly appreciate you. The lava lamp is not there yet because I turned it on like 5 minutes before I started doing the video. It's getting there though. All right. If you're out of here, thank you for hanging out with me. I greatly appreciate you. And as always, may the good Lord keep you and bless you. And yeah, that's about it, man. I'm out of here. Peace out.